Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF of 624 and 32. For finding the LCM and HCF both, we are going to first find the factors of these numbers. So let's find the factors of 624 and 32. So first we'll find the factors of 624. So as it is an even number, it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Again we can use 2 to divide the number. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 11. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. And 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 is remainder. This becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 is remainder. This becomes 18. 2 times 9 is 18. Now 39 is not fully divisible by 2. So we are going to use number 3 to divide the number. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 13 is a prime number. It is only divisible by 13. 13 times 1 is 13. Now we will find the factors of number 32. It is even number, fully divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. So we got the factors of 624 and 32. Now we'll write the factors and we'll find the LCM and HCF of the numbers. Let's first find the HCF of the numbers. HCF is the highest common factor. So we are going to write all the factors and we'll find the common factors in between the two numbers. Factors of 624 are 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 3 times 13. And the factors of 32 are 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times 2. Let's find the common factors in between the two numbers. Here 2 is common in both the numbers. One more 2 is common here. One more 2 is common. This 2 is again common here. So we got all the common factors. So the HCF will be the product of all the common factors, and the common factors we are going to write only once. So here 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will be the HCF. So HCF will be 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. So HCF of 624 and 32 is 16. Now let's find the LCM of the two numbers. For finding the LCM, we are going to write the factors once again. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 13 are the factors of 624. Let's write it in exponents form. So that will be 2 raised to power 4 times 3 times 13. And the factors of 32 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 2 raised to power 5. For finding the LCM, we are going to take the highest power of the factors. LCM is the product of highest power of the factors. So LCM will be, the highest power of 2 will be 2 raised to power 5, which is this, times 3 times 13. So LCM is 2 raised to power 5 times 3 times 13. 2 raised to power 5 is 32 times 3 times 13, which equals 32 times 3 is 96 times 13. Let's multiply the two numbers. So 13 times 6 is 78, 8, and 7 will be carried over. So 13 times 9 is 117. 117 plus 7 is 124. So the LCM of 624 and 32 is 1248. So this is our final answer. So this is how we find the LCM and HCF of 624 and 32. The LCM of the two numbers is 1248 and the HCF is 16. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.